Welcome and join us on our Adventure Miles. So where are we going, babe?
We're going to the beach.
Yep, today it's 24 degrees, nice and sunny. And the beaches are a little different here. They're not sand beaches like we're used to in Portugal. They are, what are they?
Pebble
beaches.
Pebble rock.
Yeah, so we're heading over to Sunset Beach, although it's not sunset right now. It's a beautiful sunny afternoon. And we'll bring you along and check out all the different alcoves that are along the coast here and see where we can swim from. So
yeah,
looking forward to it.
Yep.
Let's go down and check the water. We can go down to the water.
We're going to the beach in October. This is amazing. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully the water is warm, but we'll see when we dip our toes in.
Well, I'm gonna dip more than my toes in, but that's beside the point. Yeah, it's cool, that's for sure, but it's nice and calm. Just a little bit of waves, nothing too big. We're gonna walk along that route over there, and there are places that you can dip into the water, and we're gonna hit those as well as this beach. So, but for the time being, I guess you gotta do what you gotta do and take the plunge. So here we go. Refreshing, really refreshing. Yep. Tastes like seawater. But don't complain, it is so clear. Take a look. So you can actually tan, dive off, and go into the water. It's pretty cool. Oh.
You can walk out and then you can dive like out.
And this goes for probably about 2 or 3 kilometers, so it's quite a lot of them.
We saw about 15 of these hideaway coves, and they are perfect for sunbathing, swimming, or just relaxing. Some of them have benches, a swing rope, a dive board. We think they're much better than the open beach, and surprisingly, they are free and private.
Welcome to the cave bar. Oh. Oh, there's a bench.
Is there anybody there?
There's nobody here. What was the easiest way to get in? This way or
Up here.
up there? Okay,
Yeah.
wonderful. Thank you.
That's okay. It's quite slippery.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay,
On the rock.
great. It's actually pretty cool. Some of these are very secluded and just relaxing and calm. Seawater helps keep you afloat for the most part. And yeah, just the tranquility and the peace. So nice. Really enjoying this. I think we'll just stick around and swim here for a bit. And this was how we spent the rest of the afternoon. Did we mention this is October? and it's 24 degrees. Spectacular. Gotta love life. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.